You know, when they let, I think the real number is 15, 16 million people into our country. When they do that, we got a lot of work to do. They're poisoning the blood of our country. That's what they've done. They poison mental institutions and prisons all over the world, not just in South America, not just the 3 or 4 countries that we think about, but all over the world. They're coming into our country from Africa, from Asia, all over the world. They're pouring into our country. Nobody's even looking at them. They just come in. The crime is going to be tremendous. The terrorism is going to be, and then we built a tremendous piece of the wall, and then we're going to build more.
Hey, so even if you believe this Trump statement to be true, there's a few things that you should know. For example, the poisoning of the blood of the nation didn't start with the Mexicans, Hondurans, Nicaraguans, people from El Salvador. It actually started in the 18th century when, as a colony, the British would literally send prisoners, white prisoners, to North America. They would send them there. They would be transported there as part of their sentence, and they would pretty much work without pay. That's when the poisoning of the blood of the nation actually started. As a matter of fact, Georgia was actually a penal colony. So that's where it started. Look it up. Peace.